If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or you want to save money but don't know where to start. In this video, I'll show you a simple budgeting method anyone can follow, even if you hate math. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to control your money. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself. It's about telling your money where to go. Think of it like a map. Without a map, you'll spend money without purpose. With a budget, you choose your direction. Most budgets fail because they are too complicated. People create too many categories. Another reason is unrealistic goals. Trying to save too much too fast always fails. Budgeting should be simple and sustainable. There are 3 simple methods for beginners. First, the 50-30-20 rule. Second, zero-based budgeting. Third, the envelope method. First, track all your spending. Next, list all your income. Separate needs and wants. Set clear savings goals. Choose a budgeting method. Review your budget weekly, not tracking spending. Budgeting without goals. Forgetting irregular expenses. Not adjusting your budget. Start simple. Track spending. Review weekly. Comment budget for a free template.